Welcome to Honghua Pipeline Technology Company Limited. Honghua is focused on manufacturing and selling hydraulic hose, hose fittings, and hose crimping machines. Honghua would like to satisfy the most demands of customers as far as hose skiving machines, hose cutting machines, nut crimping machines, hose testing machines. After 6 years of effort, Honghua products and services get lots of good comments from many customers. And we also stable customers from many countries. In 2019, Honghua gets National High-Tech Enterprise. Honghua has 17 patents. Honghua, as trademark, passes the application. In the hydraulic hose industry, Honghua is concerned as a manufacturer and a global supplier. Honghua people always committed to the continuous improvement of industry technology and the continuous improvement of the company's own service system. Whether you're dealing with us over the phone, in the shop, or on site, we promise we will give you good service and actively solve the problems. Trust ourselves and trust customer is our principle. We can do more better is our claiming. We are all here waiting for you.